introduction nje. Okay, see paragraph 7. Do we have paragraph 7? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. I just needed to do some zoom in and zoom out to find it, because it is in a form of a chart and lana ibese iyashrinka. Okay, paragraph 7. I hope this is it. I'll just read through and ngizochaza kahle ku episode 3 so that we make this video as short as possible. Okay, this is paragraph 7. A variation of Basic Conditions of Employment Act. Okay, those are the variations ekhuluma ngayo a Basic Condition of Employment, ukuthi kena kukhona ngaphansi kwaleyo paragraph imithetho ayivumelayo u-Basic Conditions of Employment, ukuthi ningaxoxisana ninomqashi ukuthi ke nikhathe ama-corners and kukhona futhi angavumi ukuthi ningaxoxisana ngawo, kumele niwulandele njengoba unjalo. Okay, 7.1 uthini? A collective agreement concluded by a bargaining council may replace or exclude any basic conditions of employment except the following. Okay, njengoba isho ke lana ukuthi kena i-collective agreement kungaba mhlambe i-union or whoever mhlambe kune shop steward kwi-company yenu lapho ikhulumela in behalf of abasebenzi or union or whoever, kodwa ke ilona i-decision it is taken collectively or collectively or individual. Okay, if you have any question to elaborate further at that point, ngicela ukuthi ke uyishare on the comment section below. Okay, njengoba isho ke ukuthi ke these are the laws. U-A, okay, manje sisaqala ngalawo awavumelayo noma ngawavumeli. Okay, a collective agreement concluded by a bargaining council may replace or exclude any basic condition of employment act except the following. Okay, kuwo wonke ama laws akhona ku basic conditions of employment avumelekile ukuthi